How to sort YouTube videos by oldest. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to sort your YouTube videos by the oldest video that you have. So what you do here for you to be routed to your account is that on the upper right corner of the screen, you need to click on your profile and go to your channel. From here, what you will do is for you to look for the video or the oldest video that you have. You can manually type in the year, for example, before 2017. When you hit an enter, there it shows the videos that you have posted on the account. And if you have another one for before 2016 where I didn't have any, or you can also have before 2018 where I didn't have any posts as well. And as you can see, all the videos that I have on the account were made on year 2017. Another way for you to look for the old videos that you have are sorted. You can manually go to the videos on the tabs here, and then as you can see, here are the videos that I have on the account, and this one on the right most video that I have will be the latest or the oldest video that I have on the account. Normally or previously, YouTube has the option to sort the videos, but on the recent update it currently does not have the sort option already. But no need to worry, you can still do manual sorting for this. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.